तुम सटा शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब यह मोन त ख्वाब बह करा तुम सत कत ये सारी तुम जाना बस वना पन्ने मम्मी मे तुम सत लाइव सेशन फेसबुकस पे और शी वाज अब्रप्टली सेड कि डॉक्टर साहब को मेरी तरफ से सलाम बोलना सो देयर इज नो वन डॉक्टर साहब who does not know you. It's a pleasure
Thank you
that
so much. Thank you so much, sir.
डॉक्टर साहब अस वत वो 5 रत वुचान कि यह COVID-19 आव वन लुक फेसबुकस पे लेखान हर कह एक्सपर्ट तुम न्यूरोलॉजी सहित एसोसिएटेड और आपने इस पे काम भी किया। अगर मैं एपिडेमोलॉजी की बात करूं तो आप कैसे इसको देखते हैं डॉक्टर साहब?
वो बह वनो चीज यह नोव दौद नॉवल दौद यह ब्रोट पता बे पेंडेमिक गो सरसी वर्ल्डस फहलो यह दौद साइनस तीज पता साइनस वार वार डेवलप गसान यह इनफॉर्मेशन से फरवरी मार्चस मज अप्रैल मेस मज गई चेंज मे जूनस मज गई चेंज changes are dynamic in this process यह दौद यह वन सोरे पता मगर कह चीज पता कथ गसान कथ फहलान प्रिवेंट कथ करो इलाज वन मुकम्मल मगर प्रिवेंशन तो फहलाव how it spreads across is very well established now यह बड़ पता कथ फहलान यह highly contagious एकदम फहलान यह फहलान एकदम यह पता तो प्रिवेंशन पता इलाज वन मुकम्मल बट आई थिंक वैक्सीन तो कह दवा दोन थोन रेतन मज मा we may be sure about the treatment and about the vaccination तथ कह वक्त लगान ना यह अबल वन अबल वन मन we're all learning
सही डॉक्टर साहब जरूरी सवाल ये सारे वना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ती वना लुक ती वना डॉक्टर माहिरीन सारी वना मास्क लागुन वारिया जरूरी वुचान कि कुन विज गसान लुक कंप्लेसेंट दपान लागो न मास्क नेरान इथे पे ऐसे लोगों के लिए क्या कहेंगे आप डॉक्टर साहब कि कितना जरूरी है इस पैंडेमिक में मास्क पहनना? दैट इज द बेसिक थिंग यू कैन डू टू सेव योर लाइफ।
You are very right, Nasir साहब, you are very right. वो मार्च पे नन्यो कि मास्क बड़ जरूरी। इनफैक्ट फरवरी जनवरी मज खास पता कह तो मास्क अहम जरूरी बट इम्पोर्टेंट चीज ज्यादा कत जरूरी वह मा लगे 24 घंटे मास्क रात मा लगे तुम मोन पॉइंट फिक्री बेडरूमस मज बिहित तत मा लगे मास्क वन वन 68 पे लगे सा मास्क बट वी हैव टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक कम साथ ज्यादा जरूरी मे वुचमुत ये मास्क ज्यादा जरूरी ये तुम ग्रुपन मज सो जि नफर सो अकोई नफर ग्रुप्स पन फैमिली थो अति ग्रुप गो अगर तुम गेस्ट आव अगर तुम कुलीग आव अगर तुम फ्रेंड आव तुम आव फ्रेंड ड्राइंग रूमस मज नासिर भाई यह तुंद गर मगर सपोज दिस फ्रेंड हैज पॉजिटिव यह पॉजिटिव कैरियर हेल्दी पॉजिटिव या माइल्ड सिम्टम वन लायक यह 10 मिनटन कत बात कर there are 2-3 very important issues you have to understand अगर न तुह दोशवनी मास्क तिक तुंदिस ड्राइंग रूमस मज बिहित वह यह कथ कर चाय कप and if he is infected he has polluted the air of the drawing room and drawing रूमस मज कह ventilation आसान यह closed space आसान अजिक मकान सारी बंद तेलिक पे कहनी यल दार दरवाज यल तेल बेहान with the result you will catch this infection instantaneously अगर वह मास्क तु तुम लगित अम तज ठीक मास्क तो करान पॉल्यूट एयरस ये यह द्राव तुम दपान नसा वे गो ठीक बह पन्नस गरस मज द सस्पेंडेड पार्टिकल्स अमिस कथन हंद चाय हंद या पंद हंद या कथन हंद तम रोजान एज एरोसॉल एंड ड्रॉपलेट्स घंट वाद अत एयरस मज स्टैग्नेंट एयर ऑफ योर ड्राइंग रूम एंड यू विल इनहेल
बिल्कुल
रटान बाइक वलिस auto wailis ya yus white pet we are rude to him, we jurmana karan. We have to be careful where it is more important. It is more important in your drawing room all through. I just cut you the mask, I just air as much as don't. Suppose you are going in a lift, Atman Chunkurun, Atma says gaunt brought infected person or Ponkum. Tamis mask lodgements, yeah, adderless mask. I says air of the lift will be polluted for hours because it's stagnant air. Ye virus chus was on stagnant air as months, yet in ventilation, I say, Varian Gunton. Parking was roisina, boulevard aspect roisina. Bagas mas roisna, hill aspect roisna. If you are running and walking, I wouldn't say you don't use mask, but it's not so important as it is important in closed spaces. Matlab toy gese offices manchu toy yod bihir. Toy ni adding pant ka guest ya friends, you know, har which mask lojme. Tim dry toy should have money im dry me kya should pull mask to. It will be still infected there for hours. It has been seen. This is a highly urbanized disease. It is sirf karan tati yete kamra band asan, yet closed spaces asan, yet no ventilation aise. That's why it has spreads fast in hospitals. It spreads fast in closed factories. It is barakan mas yakdam gasan police walen involved gasan. It is navy shipan mas yakdam gasan. Scores are involved. And these people then spread it to other places. The masks have to be perfect in workplaces. In your when you meet other people, it's very important that these masks should be perfect. And gari need it lagan chase never kind. Patchukun Asangarat, I check I should put patient he wants to never kind first class mask like it. You think dark suburbs with cat to alarm one. When it is when you are talking to people, it's very important. When you are meeting people, so Brazilian president go involved, UK Prime Minister go involved, but Amitabh Bachchan go. They are very careful people. It's authentic. Meetings kara close room anas. Distance it doesn't matter, the air will be always infected, and if you move around, your mask goes down, you take it out, you will get infected. It's my chance that osa infection kila qismat asa
miti vanun doctor sahab ki mask kit pat chalagun wan chu luk mask laga magar tu wuchu it pat asa na chu asa yeten lukan ye mask chu lagun nasti se band karin chu band karu
bilkul os nas is band rozen. The biggest mask types cotton, gauze. The best are N95. They are very easy. They are not costly now. In a meeting or in a group, you should wear a N95 mask. In a meeting, when you are in a group, groups are very dangerous. अगर तो पोस्ट नहीं सुगस आंगनस मस बेहनाउन तकी कुर्सी थावी अगर मीटिंग दिशव करनी ओपन बागस मस करियो डोंट डू इट इन योर क्लोज रूम्स फॉर गॉड्स सेक
बिल्कुल बहुत सारे लोग हमें भी लिख रहे हैं कि क्या आप अभी भी देख रहे हैं पेशेंट्स को न्यूरोलॉजी और कोविड की अगर हम बात करें डॉक्टर साहब बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स के पास पेशेंट कोविड की वजह से आ नहीं सके तो ऐसे पेशेंट्स को आप जो न्यूरोलॉजिकल इश्यूज से परेशान है उनके लिए क्या कहेंगे इस दौरान कोविड के दौरान
न्यूरोलॉजिकल सिम्टम्स गसा पत वुचो न्यूरोलॉजिकल पेशेंटन क्या कोविड से वुचो अगर तुम वुचो बह वनो बड़ जरूरी चीज युथु ये दोद कंस करान गनुक चीज तमिस त्रे चीज गसा अक्ष तमिस स्मेल कमजोर गसा टेस्ट कमजोर गसा बे तमिस हेडेक एंड इल हेल्थ गसा पत छु 4-5-6 दो ताफत चास करा in fact the point is the gonyuk symptom chu neurological symptom covid asa agar at stages pet is patient segregate isolate kara shun zatel spread gasa infection we wait till cough we wait till eltam shash khashan che pat chu so hospital yama pat chu so doctors gasa to tam ti nafar asa infect karmi if we ask any agar is yahay phalawo har kans wano yele sa to taste gaisu kam मज यी सिनिस स्मेल यी बे गु इल हेल्थ तकत गु कम कल दौद करो या थोड़ा सा फीवरिश यू आइसोलेट योर सेल्फ यह तुथु जन कोर तुम टेस्ट इट हैज द सेंसिटिविटी एंड स्पेसिफिसिटी ऑफ 95% मतलब हतो मज हेकु तुम 5 पेशेंट इन 3 सिम्पटम पे अलग कड़ तो आइसोलेट कर स्प्रेड कर दिस मैसेज हैज टू गो टू एवरी इंडिविजुअल इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड एंड ये करा कोरिया मन सिंगापुरस मन चाइनास मन आइसोलेट योर सेल्फ इफ यू लूज स्मेल टेस्ट और इल हेल्थ पत हेको टेस्ट वेस्ट कर दोम चीज न्यूरोलॉजिकल सिम्पटम वो न्यूरोलॉजिकल दवा बट कॉमन एल्डरली पेशेंट्स पार्किंसन वल स्ट्रोक वल एल्जिमर्स यूजुअली एल्डरली इसलिए एल्डरली एज सच आर मोर प्रोन टू कोविड इन्फेक्शन यह हेको वन तिमन न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिजीज से ज्यादा कोविड बट एक्चुअली एल्डरली पीपल बिकॉज ऑफ वीक इम्यूनिटी and being unwell they catch this more issue zyada morbidity karan be serious patient zyada gasan though younger people also can be affected my point is covid as such neurological symptoms karan complications karan the neurological patients usually elderly asan timan tu zyada covid infection because of their age we are not sure whether the neurological disease causes more infection
so अगर मैं डॉक्टर साहब एक जनरल नोशन की हम बात अगर करें अक्सर तो वुचान कि वनकस इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड ये इंफॉर्मेशन हु इंफॉर्मेशन शामो नफर सह कोविड यूता खतरनाक मे कोर अलस दौद सो यू नो दिस हैज बिकम अ कॉमन जार्गन डॉक्टर साहब नाउ खासकर कश्मीर में मैं कोर अलस दौद सो हाउ डू यू सी
all over the world Kashmir this is all there is covid phobia क्या तकलीफ कोविड मे यह बड़ मिस्टीरियस डिजीज आई it is a mysterious disease which has come on this planet earth and everybody will be really afraid of it but it is for scientific community and the government to give the right advice right scientific advice wuchu kya chu gasa kun saat chu science wana ye many times because of the countries and politics this is timan kun saat chuna barahi kun saat conflict gasa politics to science but yet disorders mas yet pandemics mas gasan unison asin the politics and science of covid should go together then only you will control it earlier in fact doctors, scientists, and public health people have to be very active these days. On digital platforms, they have to advise the governing people how to go about it. Example test jalad Kokar Nag patient gasa ya Kazi Gund ya Banihal elderly patient gasa unwell. Bukhar chus, saas chus. It is possible that he has a COVID. Test chu gasa sirip main center ya Sovri gasa ya Jemexi hospital gasa. How can this man come to stay? It's so impossible. Yel toy voilun I'm asan sari infect kirmi to tam. Therefore, early testing is a preventive measure. Early diagnosis. If you diagnose an early patient, isolate him, even in his home, it will be a prevention. Sir, the damage is already done and he is very sick by the time. That's why all district hospitals, sub-district hospitals should be good enough to do these tests locally. Ambulances mobile hospitals patient gets telephone mobile van gets watan swab test pagata biggest helpline agar symptom to call to the doctors so that they can be advised accordingly.
Bilkul doctor sir toy wonu COVID phobia associated. Yeten unfortunately agar gasi COVID luk ch gasan zehni tor pareshan. Ashu yiti wanun lokan ki COVID chuna ag death sentence kya. Luk ch gasan theek te. Tund kya chu wanun ya.
वुचो यह तुथु दोदा युथ कान दोद per day comparison per day the deaths due to tuberculosis are 1,000 times more as compared to COVID. Deaths due to cardiac attacks and strokes 1,000 times more than COVID. Visibility TVS numbers. Number अगर इथे कन ट्यूबरकुलोसिस तो स्ट्रोक नंबर तो हार्ट अटैक नंबर बनाओ ये तूफान तेल I think giving these numbers every day, patient should not look at Govardhan, number of such काफी दिक्कत माइंड अमिश बसा कोविड योत दोद यथ दुनिया तो यह सारे if you see it statistically it is the other diseases are still happening more often than this. Only thing is new, novel, the mysterious disease. That's why our attention is attracted by it. And it is a pandemic. It is all over the world.
न्यूरोलॉजी के बारे में बात करते हैं डॉक्टर साहब। हम अगर बात करें, बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि अभी बाहर नहीं जा सकते, कंसल्टेशंस के लिए नहीं जा सकते। न्यूरोलॉजिकल पेशेंट्स जो होते हैं दे आर ऑन मेडिकेशन आल्सो। सो कुछ सूरतों में ऐसा भी हुआ है कि उन्हें दवाइयां मिल नहीं पाई हैं, तो उनसे आप क्या कहेंगे डॉक्टर साहब?
देखिए नासिर साहब, देखिए ये जो डिसरप्शन हुआ है ड्यू टू दिस पैंडेमिक, सोरे गो गलत। I should naive चीज सोचनी वही। See, we have to use digital platforms. तो वो अगर कहीं पार्किंसन डिजीज कुपवार, neurologists in Srinagar, in Delhi, in Washington can see him on a video call. You should bana home visit you. Srinagar, it looks as if we are sitting in front of each other. And most of the symptoms patient kursi pe behan, कथ करा, सारे अटेंडेंट कथ करा, पकुन वुचान, मगर अत मज टाइम कंजम्पशन गसान। ऑनलाइन विजुअली वो डिजिटली पेशेंट अत वक्त लगान, बे मॉडिफाई पेवान कर सोरे ट्रीटमेंट मॉडिफाई करना। एंड दिस हैज वर्कड वेल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड। And this issue be cheap, issue easy, and not inconvenient. You can use this platform for all chronic neurological, Alzheimer patients, abnormal behavior patients, stroke patients. I agree there will be a group of patients who face to face, which in hospital admit, urgent treatment, but a good number of patients can be seen on a virtual platform, and treatment can be done accordingly. And ये disruption and COVID but there will be a renewed interest in teleneurology or telemedicine, which was ignored all these years. And it is cheaper, it is easier, and more convenient.
Doctor साहब ब्याक सवाल कि कोविड वह पाई न्यूरोलॉजिकल एलिमेंट्स की अगर मैं बात करूं तो व्हाट आर द मोस्ट कॉमन न्यूरोलॉजिकल एलिमेंट्स वन सीज, बिकॉज अगर कोविड है तो इसकी वजह से हो सकते हैं, या अगर हैं तो एग्रीवेट हो सकते हैं।
वो स्टार्ट गसान टेस्ट स्मेल से इल हेल्थ 3-4-5 दो तफ सास सोर थ्रोट गसान तो निमोनिया सिम्टम्स, मगर यह आम प्रेजेंटेशन, बट मेनी पेशेंटन गसान स्ट्रोक अत मज स्ट्रोक वुचित ज्यादा गसान कोविडन मज, एनकेफलोपैथी गसान, नर्वस पैरालिसिस गसान, नरिज्म बिहित गसान, वुचित वारियान गसान ड्यूरिंग द इलनेस गसान। मगर बड़ इम्पोर्टेंट ये कोविड खत्म गए अम पत डिलेड न्यूरोलॉजिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशन गए। स्पेनिश फ्लू गो ना 1918-19 मज, तो पत न्यूरोलॉजिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशन वरी वादो पत तिम द्राय नई आफ्टर द स्पेनिश फ्लू डिसअपियर्ड। बेचो बाक अख चीज mental disturbances during COVID in the patient himself or herself, caregiver. There's a lot of anxiety, stress. COVID patient admit hospital, कहाँ relation तमिस हेकान मिलित, कहाँ friend हेकान तमिस खबरी हेकान गसित, कुन जोन आसान दे दोस, तम ज्यादा बेमार गसान, तो वो पोज 98% ठीक गसान, 98% जन बिचार, they are so anxious and agitated because of loneliness. Tufan stress gasa. We have to have a platform. Sari tablet ya iPad so that they all the time talk to their relations, to their attendants, to their friends, to their well-wishers. In communication, nobody is allowed to see them. But it is patient.
अच्छा, एक और सवाल जो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ डॉक्टर साहब, वो ये है कि अगर हम अब बात करें कोविड की, उस पर तो हम बात कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन ये जो लोगों में हमने एंजाइटी की बात की अनफॉर्चुनेटली कि कितनी ज्यादा एंजाइटी है, इस पे पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है. डज दिस आल्सो अकाउंट फॉर इश्यूज रिलेटेड टू न्यूरोलॉजी?
You see, COVID pandemic, there is a lot of anxiety, tension, depression. You imagine it. Anxiety due to this disease, anxiety. Anxiety disruption in economic depression, economic disruption. People cannot work. Students cannot go to school, college, universities. Business has got contracted. I'm COVID sit go. I find Taran Fikri Sari for Zorudi show doctor and paramedical staff, Sari for Zorudi show social worker, Sari for Zorudi show people who look after cleanliness, people who look after transport, drivers, ambulances, police. These are the most important people. You might show normal routine, you might neglect Safai, electricity suppliers, your vegetable vendors, shopkeepers. They have been proved to be the most important people. And they have to be recognized as such in future also. The duty of social workers, medical people, people who are in helmet to allay the anxiety that we are all doing well, we will overcome it. All pandemics will end usually. No pandemic has remained forever. Past, one really cannot say in this pandemic, but all pandemics end. Therefore, that thing, once it goes into the mind of everybody, it will make the anxiety less. 98% early karo report till jal theek asan agar na ilaaj karo jal to til ye bada yim cheez vannu such anxiety kam asan ye should bar vanun TVS pet channel and pet akhbaran maz in social media the good things you can do in it, and so many new learnings have been done. As I told you, kumchi important, zyada kumchan important. This pitfalls about pitfalls overcome it.
डॉक्टर साहब, अगर विंकेश अगर वैक्सीन टॉक की अगर हम बात करते हैं, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ टॉक हैपनिंग अराउंड वैक्सीन्स. दपांच एक मुल्क ट्रायल कर रहा है, कहीं पे ट्रायल्स सक्सेसफुल हो रही हैं. तो हाउ डू यू एज एन एक्सपर्ट एंड हु टॉक्स ऑन कोविड, काफी कुछ आप लोगों को बताते भी हैं, हमने स्टार्ट भी इसी से किया, इसको आप कैसे देखते हैं? व्हेन डू यू सी द वैक्सीन हैपनिंग डॉक्टर साहब? एनी टाइम सून?
Flu vaccines they are all the modern. It is also thought to be one of the influenza viruses, and it is distinctly possible that vaccine was successful. Magar you shouldn't trial it is in human trials. Once it is shown that it can protect you, nothing like that. That will be the magic bullet then. You will get a shot and you will not get this infection. And it will prevent spread. Everything will be solved by a vaccine. But the point is, which $1 million question, whether it will, once it comes, will it be successful? How successful it is? I tell you, if I can HIV, AIDS, if I can that vaccine. Because that much is mutation viruses. If it mutates, it becomes a new virus. If a virus mutates, no virus is vaccine. If it remains stable, this virus, and vaccine works against it, then one can eliminate this disease. This is only future will tell. Nobody knows in the world about it.
बिल्कुल सही डॉक्टर साहब, कुछ लोगों ने सवाल भी पूछे हैं। गुलाम रसूल साहब ने सवाल पूछा है कि लिखते हैं कि दिस इज अ वेरी अर्जेंट क्वेश्चन। लिखते हैं, सर माय मदर टेक्स Mandrex 100 फ्रॉम लास्ट 6 years, बट व्हेनेवर वी ट्राई टू स्टॉप इट देयर इज नॉशिया। तो क्या कहेंगे आप इन्हें डॉक्टर साहब?
It's a sleeping tablet, most likely. It's very difficult as such to stop it. I think it's dependent. I think the best way is to slowly reduce it. मतलब अगर you should do 5-6 retan, but 5-6 retan old khun, but quarter khun, but it has to be done very, very slowly. All these sleeping tablets have a very bad side effect of you get hooked up to it. And the only way to get rid of is to be slowly tapering it off with the help of the doctor, with the help of a psychiatrist or even a physician.
Akib is also asking a question and he says, Dr. Saab, मैं दिन में चलते चलते अचानक से सर में एक तरफ से दर्द होने लगता है और कंट्रोल से बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल में रहता नहीं है दर्द, सो प्लीज गाइड।
See, when I side of headache, I see usually should migraine headache. Usually should tapas nero, shores nero, ya pakawaya. The dawa full pain relieving it. Again, the faragist is already doctors. So can you scan so that you are sure that everything is fine. There are two ways: get it investigated and take a simple tablet for it.
ये दिन मैं अख तो जरूरी सवाल पूछूं डॉक्टर साहब, वो वही सारनी बिहित ये गर 5 रेत वत वो लगभग तुम वो फोन एक्टिविटी गई इंक्रीज वारिया, स्क्रीन टाइम गो वारिया इंक्रीज ऐसे लुक वो गरी बिहित फोन पे टैब्स पे कंप्यूटर पे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स दे स्पेंड देयर टाइम ऑन फोन और मे बी कंप्यूटर लैपटॉप्स व्हाटएवर दे हैव। एम सी तिचा करा कलस दो डॉक्टर साहब, बिकॉज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कंप्लेनिंग दैट मे बी देयर स्क्रीन टाइम हैज इंक्रीज्ड, सर में दर्द हो रहा है, तो इस पे क्या कहेंगे?
बिल्कुल, this is very important. If you spend too much time on screen, your neck is bent, your shoulders are arched, your head is down, and after if you do it for a long time, you'll get neck pain, headache, shoulder discomfort, you will get eye discomfort. This does happen. Screen time has to be scheduled. You cannot do it indefinitely. It has to be scheduled with proper screen, proper height, and break nin bada zaruri. Zarur break nin, especially students who are doing online classes. The brightness in the room, the brightness of the screen, the size of this, they're very important. They're very important, and posture, proper posture while talking. You have no, this is very important. This can cause not only headache, this can cause even fatigue, mental fatigue. You get a lot of uneasiness and heaviness.
मैं तो ब्याक सवाल ये प्रश्न की कूता गैस आसन recommended screen time for students, because you see a lot of students these days are not going.
I think you should be comfortably doing it and break it. Time super mushkil one. People have not worked out, and this situation was never envisaged. Nobody has worked out the time. And current screen work or work on your digital work, don't waste time on it. Don't go for games or gambling or other things. Be professional in this. All students, all people should be professional in this. They should use it. It can can chase kara motivation overeating kara. I think we have to do rationing of it and it's kind of dieting. Dieting.
So there is one more question,
Screen
Dr.
dieting thing thought now.
Screen dieting is also very important. I think we should screen dieting. Very nice, Dr. We have a question, Dr. Niaz has a question, and Niaz says, I am on a medicine, or I can't pronounce it properly. To 2014 I am having this medicine since I have not encountered any seizure attack. तो कहते हैं कि मैं ये दवाई खा सकता हूँ कि नहीं?
He should continue it. He should continue this anti-seizure. No, any patient who is well this time should not change medicine. In COVID times, don't change medicines. Wait for next 6 months. See your doctor. He will do the needful. No need to change immediately. Okay, doctor. 3-4 months, 2-3 months. Don't change.
There is one more important question, which is कि आप देखिए कि अगर किसी का कोई माइग्रेन इशू होता है आजकल या सर में दर्द हो रही होती है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक जनरल परसेप्शन लोगों में ये है कि अगर आप किसी न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाएंगे, आपको दवाइयां प्रिस्क्राइब की जाएंगी, फिर वो दवाइयां जो है वो सारी जिंदगी आपने खानी है. इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
माइग्रेनस चीज बड़ इम्पोर्टेंट ये कल दौद तम सात क्या तम सात दवा फुल खुन आराम कर बिजली बंद कर शोर बंद कर टेक रेस्ट एंड इट विल गो ऑफ इफ इट हैपेंस वन ऑफ मज मज कर तेल दवा योत खुन विद प्रिकॉशंस यू नीड नॉट टेक रेगुलर ड्रग्स होल लाइफ बे अगर बार बार कर तेल प्रोफिलेक्स दिवान 2-5-6 रतन सह परमानेंट लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस वो कह पेशेंट वन मे निंद्र कल दौद कर ही हैज टू अवॉइड इट तथ मा चार कह स्ट्रेस वन मे कल दौद कर सह जरूरी अवॉइड कर कह वन मे फाक सत्यान तमिस फाक दिन कह वन अगर बह तापस पक मे कल दौद कर तमिस तापस पकुन कह वन मे कह फूल खेन टमाटर तम चीज खेन. My point is, majority of times migraine is provoked by something. That something has to be stopped. Dawan sun role a small group needs medicines. I agree with that, but majority don't require it.
कत कर स्क्रीन टाइम गो इंक्रीज यपर गो स्क्रीन टाइम इंक्रीज होपर गो स्लीप साइकिल डिस्टर्ब. स्लीप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्टर साहब. लुक वन वुनिंदर गो अलस दोद. How important it is and what is the recommended sleep cycle as per a neurologist, doctor?
Sleep is as important as food, air and water. And Khodayan chu banomus raat nindr khatra. It's made for sleep so that when shamas chu sandhya gasa, das gasa, hormonal changes to brain switches change so that by 10-10:30 everybody feels sleepy. 98% feels unless you train your brain na toy biu zor kah baje pat biu 12 baje tam pat biu 1 baje tam pat chu aadat hi bana. Therefore majority of persons should sleep as soon as they find it sleepy. You should aadat hi bana lokchar. Subanti shu mata yuthui dawn chiwa yuthui the first light comes, you automatically get up. And usually, 7-8-9 घंटा बच्चन में ज़्यादा. As you grow old, the sleep time usually decreases due to so many reasons, because this efficient sleep mechanism shouldn't be efficient as you age. It can, so many changes happen with age, but young people, adolescent, adults have to sleep adequately. Otherwise, they will get a lot of illnesses, right from headache to memory loss to behavioral changes to hypertension to obesity. Why do you have to sleep disturbances. अगर तो तीर शुंगियो या यमन यम ज्यादा फैक्ट्रीज मज काम करान यमन मज शिफ्ट ड्यूटी या बार बार जेट लैग दे टेल अपॉन योर हेल्थ इन लॉन्ग या नाइट ड्यूटी ज्यादा आसान इन लॉट ऑफ पीपल.
So, Dr. Sab, anything you recommend for insomnia?
No, don't sleep daytime. Don't take tea, coffee after 4 p.m. Around 6-7 p.m. stroll for half an hour. Take early dinner and don't do any digital work after 9-9:30 and make a plan for the next day. Write it up. Otherwise, and your bedroom should be only for sleep. Young people, boys and girls, can take a glass of milk at night. That has tryptophan in it, which induces sleep. Otherwise, young people can take a glass of milk. And your bedroom should be only for sleep, not for reading or TV or working.
बिल्कुल सही डॉक्टर साहब.
5 चीजें करनी.
बिल्कुल सही. 5 चीजें करनी है लोगों को. और डॉक्टर साहब आपने बहुत ही तफसीलन हमें बताया कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. आई थिंक दिस सेशन हैज ऑलरेडी लास्टेड 35 मिनट्स और लोग सवाल भी पूछ रहे हैं. वी कैन टेक फ्यू क्वेश्चंस जो कि लोग हमें भेज रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब. सिंस a lot of people would want to get in touch with you, but we understand that आपकी भी मसरूफियात हैं. So गुलाम रसूली कह रहे हैं कि my question remained incomplete. Please tell me what should she do as she is feeling some buzzing in her ear and she is on Mandrax 100. और ये भी उन्होंने लिखा था उनके दांत भी निकल रहे हैं. मदर है इनकी.
दवा बार-बार कम करो. दवा बार-बार and you can replace it with some other drug which is not habit forming. It's very difficult to name it like without knowing more details. I think the principle should be to bambrio बार-बार हेकि भी काम करित वेरियस खंडस मस या त am बदल हेकि बदल का दवा दिबो डॉक्टर साहब. तम सिर्फ गसो कानुक शोर त कम. तो बे कानुक शोर छु कान डेंजरस फिक्रेशन करन के. It's not a dangerous symptom. Noise in air is disturbing, it's inconvenient, but dangerous छु जास.
अच्छा डॉक्टर साहब, a lot of people are writing in कि they wanted to come for your consultation but because of the COVID and restrictions the appointments have gone haywire. तो उनके लिए आप क्या कहेंगे?
Sorry, everything has changed by 360 degrees. Nasir, everything has changed. We have to find new ways. The best is by telephone, by calls, by chats. Tell about your health. We can come back, and this is a good medium to compensate for the time till the pandemic gets low. Then one can see it very easily. Traveling, Nasir bhai, by traveling, this virus has spread. It started from aeroplanes. Those air circulate the jahazas under kain. Sarni passenger and phalyo. Timo on different mulkan. I think the best, one of the very important preventive measures for COVID is don't travel too much unless it is very essential. That's very important. Traveling such teeth contacts, you take tea in some shop, you buy something, you never know about this. I think the best, one of the most important preventive measures in addition to what we talked is avoid travels. Avoid travels. This is very important. And avoid and do meetings in open, meet people in open, don't meet in closed spaces. So, village in lockdown the government allowed agriculture sector to work. Paddy, wheat, sugarcane, sabzi. COVID. They work in open, they live in airy spaces, they live anti-COVID. So urban living is pro-COVID. Everything is closed. Meetings air conditioned room. That's why Bangalore, Mumbai, New York, France, San Francisco, Milan, Yaman gai tufan what because everything is closed and अच्छे Mela meeting kara, the air got infected. It was not circulating properly. It became very lazy, and it spread far and wide. When you travel, patkur spread pan.
Acha, Doctor Sahab, a lot of people are writing in how they can get in touch with you. Any email ID you have so they can write to you?
Same meon naam ulta karun razdan sushil @yahoo.co.in. They can mail at ke parwa chu asal chu aise chu fursat wariya le return call karnas.
So,
web net telephone wali
any changes in eating habits in these times, Doctor Sahab?
Oh, very important. You karo ino sawal hai, bade zaruri. You got to be very healthy. That's what my point is. Ago nindar theek karan, screen time limit karan ye zaruri chu. You have to walk and work. You cannot give up work and you cannot give up walking. They are both safe. You have to keep healthy, proper healthy food is to be there. You got not to overeat or bhakajun. Everything has to be proper. Normal life guzar. In your park, you can walk easily. In your road, you can walk easily. God has given such a beauty to Kashmir. Everybody should be walking around in their areas and preferably with a mask, but it is much safer to be outdoor walking, strolling, walking, taking fresh air, doing exercises. Even playing some games which where there are no bigger crowds, you can do it. I am sure these things are very healthy practices, and one will not catch COVID by this. Never. If you walk in a park, you will never get it. Acho hawa asan tait ke roz virus. Hawa se chuni rozan. If you have a fresh air, moving air, it can never survive there. It will get diluted and die. It remains stagnant in lazy air where there is no ventilation. In dense markets, in halls, in rooms, in workplaces, it remains suspended for hours.
Munib Sabun Sawal chu Munib Sab chi lekhan ki my father is feeling vertigo since last 4 months और कह रहे हैं ये off and on आता रहता है. Treatment क्या होगी इसकी?
He has to talk to a doctor about it. But one should know the cause of vertigo. That's very important. Causes Nasir Bhaiya treatment. That may help a little symptoms, but that doesn't treat the cause. Vertigo treatment. I don't want him to panic around, but he should get a checkup done. His blood pressure should be checked, his nervous system should be checked, his heart even should be checked. If they're all normal, then it's very easy to treat.
Athar Sabun Sawal chu be Doctor Sab yim chi lekhan ki asus toy nishun 3rd August magar sain slip röv to wain kya is hekau erit.
Tim hekan me dawa wawa suji thet mailers pe dimak jawab ya telephones pe hekan so WhatsApp kare tese bhaiya we have contacted hekan was only to face to face but I'll give them a reply. They can hekan message sujit kya dawa khawa ya tin photo dit iskar to is pe guzare ya kanch pere tisuli ke
to Doctor Sab 45 minutes हो गए तुम सेटा शुक्रिया या लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट खतर तो और साइन अर्जी पे 10 तक अस रिक्वेस्ट करमस कि
I enjoy लुकन ताम बिल्कुल छुन खौफ करुन प्रॉपर एहतियात छु करुन एंड कतत छु एहतियात करुन सु ज्यादा जरूरत कतत छु एहतियात करुन कुस एहतियात छु करुन
बिल्कुल तो फाइनली डॉक्टर साहब तुम क्या रोज एडवाइस before we sign off?
This has to end. All pandemics end. We should be positive. We should have faith in God Almighty. We should be careful. We should not be paranoid. We should not be phobic. We should take care of elderly. We should take care of yourself, and I'm sure we'll all be well. We'll all be well. We'll all be well. Tachan Khan Zarai. These are difficult times, I know, but we'll overcome it. We'll overcome it definitely.
बिल्कुल सही डॉक्टर साहब तुम सेटा सेटा शुक्रिया बुझुस तुम शुक्रगुजार तो मे मैच पाई कि
Thank you so much. Thank you much.
तुम सेटा सेटा शुक्रिया डॉक्टर साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'll take your. Khuda Hafiz. Khuda Hafiz.